Anyway, I won't waste any more time. I'll get Zuhair back to start with this session about PTE, which is to do with English competency. Zuhair, are you guys ready? Yeah, please. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Alaikum salam.
So I am Zuhair and we are representing here Alpha PT and NATI. Firstly, I would like to thank KSIJM to hosting us and putting this kind of a session, which actually is really important for somebody who's come to Australia and doesn't have a vision, doesn't know how to start, how to move around. It's really important for having such kind of sessions. And Suhail Bhai gave really good insights on how we need to proceed. So what Suhail Bhai basically covered, we are just a small part of it. PTE and NATI is only a part of it, but it plays the most important role because these are two things which can give you 25 points. Sort of the point system which Suhail Bhai has explained, that 65 is the criteria. 25 important points are up for grabs just by doing PTE and NATI. So you can imagine the importance that you spend 2 years, spend around 50,000, 45, 50,000 grand, 50,000 for your fees, and still you get only 5 points for your education in Australia, but you can claim 25 points just by clearing PTE and NATI. So the importance of PTE and NATI is very clearly visible. I would can you go for the next slide? Yeah, so 25 points towards your PR. This is our presentation, and how you can achieve these 25 points by doing PTE and NATI. So the breakup is 20 points if you get 8 bands in IELTS or 79 plus in PTE. You get 20 points as explained by Suhail Bhai. And then 5 points are from NATI CCL. So we have our subject matter experts here, Mr. Mudassir Mehdi, who has been doing NATI CCL. He has been in the industry. And then Ms. Fatima, she will be elaborating more on PTE. So I would like to invite Mr. Mudassir to speak about NATI CCL.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Alaikum salam.
NATI CCL is basically, my friend, he just explained about PTE. NATI is a part of it. So what happens is if you complete NATI CCL, we are talking about CCL, there is a difference. Who amongst you know about what NATI is? Does anybody know anything in the students especially? Okay, so there are 2 types of NATI. Okay, one is a diploma. So diploma is the one that once you complete it, so you get you become a professional interpreter yourself. Like you can do a job as an interpreter. You get 5 points as well, but you can do a job as an interpreter as well. If you're talking about CCL, which is Credentials Community Language Test, so that is what gives you 5 points. And it's a totally different test. It's not a diploma. As soon as you pass it, you get 5 points. Okay. So I've been teaching, and I was the first one actually to pass NATI CCL in Urdu, and I was the first one to do that as well. And I've been teaching for a year now. So I just wanted to share a few things about this. Because it's in Urdu and everybody knows Urdu here. So does anybody have problem if I speak in Urdu? For you? ठीक है. तो नाटी CCL उर्दू जो है उसमें कुछ इस तरह से होता है कि आप में से किस ने आइल्स का स्पीकिंग एग्जाम दिया हुआ है? ठीक. तो उसमें ये होता है कि आपके सामने एक जो है वो साहब बैठे होते हैं जो कि मॉडरेटर होते हैं, जो आपका एग्जाम ले रहे होते हैं, ठीक है। वो जो है वो एक डायलॉग चलाते हैं इंग्लिश में, ठीक है, और आपको उसका आंसर करना होता है अपनी लैंग्वेज में, जो लैंग्वेज जिस लैंग्वेज में आप एग्जाम दे रहे हैं। सिर्फ उर्दू में नहीं होता, बाकी अब दूसरी जो है वो ज़बानों में भी होता है, हिंदी में भी होता है। अब इसमें जो असल मसला होता है वो ये होता है कि आपको टाइम नहीं दिया जाता जवाब देने का, सो यू विल नॉट गेट इनफ टाइम टू आंसर। इसमें डायलॉग्स कितने होते हैं? सबसे बेसिक बात यह है कि इसमें टोटली 2 डायलॉग्स होते हैं। डायलॉग से मुराद ये है कि 2 कन्वर्सेशंस होती हैं जिनको आपने आंसर करना है, जो कि ब्रोकन होती हैं सेगमेंट्स में। सेगमेंट्स क्या होते हैं? मिसाल के तौर पर एक सेंटेंस आपने सुना इंग्लिश में, ठीक है, तो उसको आपने ट्रांसलेट करना है फौरन से उर्दू में, ठीक है, ये आपका एक सेगमेंट हो गया। फिर उसी का आंसर जो सिचुएशन, जिस सिचुएशन पे बात चल रही है 2 लोगों की आपस में, ठीक है, उसी सिचुएशन का आंसर एक साहब देंगे उर्दू में, ठीक है, आपने उसको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? इंग्लिश में। दिस इज हाउ इट गोज, ठीक है, ये इसकी बेसिक। तो आप बेसिकली कौन है? यू आर द इंटरप्रेटर। तो अब अगर आपने इसमें अच्छा स्कोर लेना है तो आपका मकसद ये होना चाहिए कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर सुहेल भाई बात कर रहे हैं मुझसे, ठीक है, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती, सही, सुहेल भाई को आती है, आपको ये मेक श्योर करना है कि सुहेल भाई की बात मैं समझ जाऊं, ठीक है, और आपको ये भी मेक श्योर करना है कि मेरी बात सुहेल भाई समझ जाए। अगर आप इसमें कामयाब हो जाते हैं तो आपको 5 पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे। ये तो हो गई एक जिस्ट हो गया इसका, ठीक है, लेकिन इसके लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए होती है। उसकी वजह ये है कि इनके जो डायलॉग्स हैं वो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट होते हैं, ठीक है, सिचुएशंस जो होती हैं उसमें जो वर्डिंग्स हैं वो हम लोगों ख़ास तौर पर यहाँ पर आके हम लोग बिल्कुल जो है वो उर्दू से आउट ऑफ टच हो जाते हैं फॉर पर्टिकुलर रीजंस के हम जहाँ जॉब कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ रही है या नॉर्मल डेली रूटीन में भी आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ रही है, तो उस चीज़ पे वापस आने के लिए आपको काफ़ी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है। प्लस इसका एक स्पेशल फॉर्मेट है डायलॉग्स का कि कौन कौन से डायलॉग्स हैं, ठीक है, तो उसके लिए टेक्निक्स चाहिए होती हैं। अच्छा, अब इसका तरीका ये है कि आपको रजिस्टर करना पड़ता है, ठीक है, इसकी जो फीस है वो है $800, सही है। अब आप जब प्रोफेशनल ईयर करते हैं तो प्रोफेशनल ईयर के कितने पॉइंट्स होते हैं? 5 पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं आपको जब आप 1 साल का प्रोफेशनल ईयर कंप्लीट करते हैं, सुहेल भाई इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, ठीक है। तो जब आप पूरा 1 साल पढ़ने के बाद जो है वो आपको 5 पॉइंट मिलते हैं। नाटी CCL इज अ गुड थिंग इन अ वे कि आप ये एग्जाम देने के बाद आपको डायरेक्टली 5 पॉइंट्स मिल जाते हैं, और इन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस भी इसी वजह से किया है कि आप पॉइंट्स ये 5 पॉइंट्स गेन कर सकें, ठीक है। अब इसमें ड्यूरेशन कितना होता है, कुछ बेसिक्स बता देता हूँ मैं आपको। नाटी CCL की ड्यूरेशन कितना होता है? टोटल जो ड्यूरेशन होता है एग्जाम का होता है वो 15 से 20 मिनट का, ठीक है। पहले एक डायलॉग चलता है, एक सेगमेंट चलता है, आपको फौरन उसका आंसर करना होता है। आपको जैसे PTE में होता है कि PTE में टाइम दिया जाता है कि इतने सेकंड आप सुन के प्रिपेयर करके फिर आंसर करेंगे, इसमें आपको प्रिपरेशन का टाइम नहीं मिलता। तो उस चीज़ की जो टेक्निक्स हैं उस सब पे जो है वो हम वर्किंग करते हैं, और हम स्टूडेंट्स को उस पर वर्किंग कराते हैं कि क्या टेक्निक्स हैं, किस तरह से आप फ्लुएंट हो सकते हो उस चीज़ में, ठीक है। प्लस इनके एक पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ डायलॉग्स है, जो इनका एक तरीका है जिसकी बेसिस पे आप जो है वो प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। और इसका मटेरियल आपको इतने इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं होगा। यूट्यूब पे भी आपको मेरे ख्याल में आई थिंक 1 से 2 डायलॉग मिल जाएंगे या उनकी वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएंगे, बट द मेन क्राइटेरिया इज कि यू नीड समवन हु कैन गाइड यू थ्रू दिस, ठीक है। तो खैर इसका ड्यूरेशन टोटल 15 से 20 मिनट होता है। एक डायलॉग होता है कम से कम 5 से 7 मिनट का, ठीक है। फिर जब वो खत्म हो जाता है तो किसी दूसरी सिचुएशन पे एक और डायलॉग होता है, ठीक है, और वो भी इतनी ही देर का होता है। तो टोटल ड्यूरेशन होता है 15 मिनट, और 1-on-1 एग्जाम होता है। अच्छा, इसमें क्या टेस्ट करते हैं ये? इसमें आपकी राइटिंग टेस्ट नहीं होती, यू डोंट टेस्ट योर राइटिंग, ठीक है, और आपकी रीडिंग टेस्ट नहीं होती है। इसमें आपकी स्पीकिंग और लिसनिंग का एग्जाम होता है। ये कुछ बेसिक बातें हैं नाटी CCL से रिलेटेड। आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं said it. If anybody has any question about this, you can ask me. Jordan?
Thank you, Mudassar Bhai, for explaining about Nati. So, if not now, maybe tomorrow, maybe afterwards, if you guys have any doubts, we are always there for the community. Although we have started new, but we have experience behind us, and not on the business front, but we want to help our community, our students who are there in our community. We want to help them as well. So yes, we are always there. Now the big part, PTE, 20 points, which you guys can claim. I'd like to invite Ms. Fatima. So she has been in the industry for 5 years. She brings in the company a big amount of experience behind her, and she's quite popular among students as well. So Fatima, can you say a few words on PTE?
Alaikum salam.
Okay, thank you Zohra, for giving the opportunity. I just want to give an explanation in regards to PTE and IELTS, because when most of us come from India, Pakistan, from wherever we come, we always give IELTS. We are not so familiar about PTE, and not many of us know why we have to do PTE and not IELTS. I'm not saying IELTS is impossible, but getting 8 each in IELTS is very difficult, because I've been a trainer for IELTS as well as PTE. So initially when I started my training in Australia, I was a trainer for both PTE and IELTS. And when I started training students, I noticed that most of us, when we come from our background, from our country, we are not so much thorough with our English when it comes to grammar, when it comes to sentence formation, structures and everything, which is very important in IELTS, in getting 8 in each, because we need 8 each in every module to get 20 points. And that is easier in PTE, because when a human being is going to check your errors, he will check according to his level of English, and he will see when you want 8 each, you have to be at least of the level I am, so that I've got 8 each, you want 8 each, let's just sit according to that and just check your essays according to that. That's impossible. It's not impossible, a little difficult, which will take a little more time, which we don't have as students. Okay? Now, after 2 years of study, like he has already told you, you get 5 points, but this is giving you 20 points. You don't have to study for 2 years. I have had students who studied for 3 months and got 8 in each in PTE. I have students who started with 6 each with us, and within a span of less than 6 months, they got 8 each. So I just want you to know the importance of starting early, because a lot of students, a lot of my friends who are from my background, from my college, they waited for the professional years to end, and they said, it's only PTE, let's just wait, let's just finish with our college, let's just finish our professional year, and then when we have some visa left, let's just finish PTE. That didn't happen. They have to file for the student visa again. Why don't you start while you do your college? It has validity for 3 years, so that you don't waste your time for TR. You don't even have to apply for TR. Obviously, if you're into IT where you need professional year, that's okay. But get done with this as soon as possible, because it keeps changing in every 2 to 3 months. When I started, PTE was a piece of cake. I used to ask students to just prepare 65% and get 8 each. It was that easy. And then it started changing. It started adding new questions, it started adding new techniques, it started adding AI and all the other things. And since it gets difficult and difficult with every passing time, it's easier to start as soon as possible. You go to college at least 3 days a week. If not with a trainer, start with your friends. Okay, there are a lot of websites which are for free, a lot of material which is available. We are available whenever you have any doubts or queries. Just make sure you don't waste time for this, because 20 points are important and it is easy. So it is computer based. It will ignore a lot of errors, blunders. Like in essays, I never ask them to write essay on their own. I write my essay format, I give it to them. They will write the same format for all the essays and get 9 each. Because I've been giving I give exams almost every 15 days to see what changes are there. So I know the PTE exam will just ignore this blunder, that same essay in every exam, even if 2 essays are there, you write the same thing, you will get 9 each. There are tips and tricks. You won't know unless you are there. So we know because we have been doing this. But it will take care of your minor details like program, P-R-O-G-R-A-M, which is American, P-R-O-G-R-A-M-M-E, which is British. You use both of them in one essay, it will deduct as a spelling mistake. So that is some technical knowledge that you need to have when you are writing your PTE exam. Okay? So that's about PTE. Let us know if you have any doubts and queries. We are more than welcome to help you, more than happy to help you. And that's from me. Yeah, that is the comparison between PTE and IELTS. You get 79 each. So total marks are 90. Out of that you need 79. Only 11 marks gap to get your 20 points in PTE. 65 you get 10. So why PTO, IELTS? I've already explained all of that. That's about it. Can we just move on? Yeah, there are a lot of people who have good command in English. They have attempted a lot of times. They know all the strategies. They have taken professional help. But like I told you, like I gave you an example of the essay and the program thing. If you don't know basic tips and tricks, there are a few basic rules and regulations. Something that only a one-on-one interaction can help you. Then it gets a little tricky to get your score in PT. Once you know all that, once your errors are checked properly, then PT is not that difficult. It just needs a little more time and a little more dedication, and it should be done as soon as possible. Yep. That's about it. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity. Let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you.
So yes, these are our details. The guys are always available for helping the community. And then can you go for the next slide? I'd like to thank KSIJM for hosting us. With such a short span of time, we just tried to give you guys, contact you, and then you guys accommodated us. It's a very good platform, and I'd like to thank Suhail Bhai also. His lecture was really insightful. I'm sure the students must have had taken some good feedback from it. And then yes, lastly, as Imam Ali said, if you are sincere, you will be successful. As Suhail Bhai said that if you're doing hard work for your future, you should not be ashamed of it. So stand up today and go for it, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you Fayaz Bhai. Thank you Baim Bhai for giving us an opportunity. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, all of you, for coming and giving all this good information. Just last thing, Shabir wants to say a few words before we finish off the day.
Thank you everybody for coming. This is the first session we have had. I've been around for over 30 years in Melbourne, and one thing I always feel that a community is not a community, a complete community until you look at the whole system. And one of the things that is very important in our community is the economic well-being of a community will build a community. And we should support them. There are a lot of people who come here who don't know what they are doing, and I've seen many people fall into traps. And my background is finance, and when I talk to people about it, and I sometimes get shocked, assuming I know a lot of things, right? And I assume they know a lot of things, but they don't. So these kind of sessions are very important, and inshallah you will see more of these coming up, and we should inshallah get more and more participation. And I would like to thank Suhail Bhai for an excellent lecture, and to you as well for coming in. I didn't know what is PTE. Not that I didn't, but I did not know. So for me now, as a community leader, I get a lot of questions asked, not only from here, from overseas. All right, and I cannot sort of say I don't know, but now at least I can talk. All right. So thank you very much, and for our as a token of appreciation, there is something for both of you. So please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Sister Fatima. All right, we close today, and inshallah we'll have more of these sessions. Thank you very much.
Now,
Thank you.
very good, mashallah. Very good.
Thank you.